guys, welcome back to my channel. We are sitting here in, well, I'm here without the kiddos, sitting here in the Costco parking lot. We just got back from our 2-week RV road trip back to the Midwest. That video is coming soon. And we have nothing in our house. So we are going to be doing a huge Costco haul and you guys are going to come with me. So let's go shop. OMG, you guys. First of all, it's like, well, my car says 111. We're in Phoenix right now and it is so effing hot. $300 later. Oh my gosh. I guess that's what happens when you're not home for 2 weeks and you need to buy groceries. So, oh my gosh, like it doesn't even look like that much, but it is. So let's get this stuff home and then I'll show you guys what I got. Stay tuned. All right guys, I am back. I'm just gonna go through and show you everything we got. Their Huggies diapers were on sale. I believe they were $8.50 off. So I got those. And then these new, the Kirkland brand, they got rid of these tissue boxes for a while and then they got them back. The Kleenex brand was actually a better deal, but it was like $4 more. So I don't know, I got these. And of course, your summer essentials right here. My favorite summer shandy over here. All right, no judgment here, guys. My family likes snacks, all right? And whatever, we like to snack in this house. So we went ahead and got the Kirkland hummus, organic hummus, and I like to dip, we like to dip veggies in there, or I got some of the organic tortilla chips. Oh, there's Peyton Poo. Peyton, can you say hi? Hi, baby. And then we got some of the Munster cheese. This is my absolute favorite cheese, and the girls love to eat it too. We love ranch here in my family, so we got 2 of the ginormous ones of ranch. And then I got these little protein bars. We normally get the peanut butter ones, but these had dark chocolate and I thought those would be yummy. My kids are right now obsessed with this pirate booty, so we got some more of that. Fruit snacks, you always need those on hand. And then these apple sauces, I know these aren't the best deal. It's like 10 bucks for these, and it's cheaper to get like the jars of applesauce, but these are so easy for on the go. You know, like if my kids just want a quick snack or if we're on the road. So I just always go back to those and get them. Of course, we had to get some Pop-Tarts, and then these kettle chips. These are mine and my husband's favorite, so we always have those on hand. This bread, I just recently tried it a couple times ago at Costco, and it is awesome. I think it's only like $4 for the 2 loaves, and it's so good. It's just really soft and fresh, and I love it. And then I saw this organic spinach and cheese ravioli. I thought that would be good. I mean, that could be like 3 meals right there, so 3 or 4 even. So I thought that would be good. And then I picked up this Asian cashew chopped salad. It's like a whole kit, comes with everything there, and I figured we could eat that. Since I stay at home, this would be a good lunch for me. And then these chicken melt sandwiches, those are my husband's favorites. Those are quick and easy for him. He throws a couple in the microwave and dips them in ranch. Those are really, really good. Of course, we need Go-Gurt. My girls love their yogurt. And then I saw these organic Gala apples. And they were, I think it was only like $5. And of course, the Mickey Mouse. I figured Mickey and Minnie might help them eat them more, maybe, since, you know, they're kind of healthy. So, and then I got eggs, of course. We were totally out. And strawberries. I don't normally like to buy my fruit from Costco because it's usually kind of expensive, but this big thing was only $5. And if I were to get, if I were to get 2 of them at our grocery store, it probably would have been about the same price. So I figured that was a good deal. And then we love these organic tortilla chips. We like to make nachos at home or like with the hummus. The bananas are always hit or miss at Costco. I found they're super cheap. It's like $1.39 for that whole thing, but sometimes they're not very good. Sometimes they are green and they don't ever turn yellow, which is weird. So I always just kind of roll the dice when I try them, and sometimes they're good, sometimes not. And then I got these sugar snap peas. We love to snack on these, and these are good in the hummus as well. And then I got these chicken Caesar salads. These are good. You get 2 of them. And those are good for me to eat during the day while the girls are napping. And I always like to get our milk here. It's super cheap for the two, and we always need milk with the girls. And then I've been getting these broccoli florets. These are so yummy, and there's an awesome recipe on the back that I've been making. It's like a sauteed Asian broccoli recipe. Oh my goodness, it's so easy and it is so good. I will link it down below, you guys, if you want to check it out. It's so yummy. And then I saw this grilled white chicken and portobello mushroom. Oh my gosh, that sounded so tasty. I think it was like $10, but it's the whole meal and it's all fresh food. So I figured, you know what, we could eat on that for a couple days too, so $10 isn't bad. And then we always like to get these pot stickers. I got the chicken and vegetable ones, and my husband likes to heat these up for a quick little meal, and those are always tasty. And then we always like to get this Kirkland sparkling water. Like, I've been trying not to drink a lot of pop, so these are kind of taking pop's place. They're still carbonated, so it kind of feels like I'm drinking pop, but there's no calories. And then I always like to get these Downy, the little, what are these things called? Odor thingies, whatever. Uh-oh, my girls are coming in. Okay, quick. So then I found these two lace bralettes. These looked so cute, you guys. They were like $16, but thought those would be cute. And don't judge me, but yes, I bought my underwear from there. I've never tried them from here, so I figured it'd be fun to try it. All right, guys, there you have it. That is my most recent Costco haul. This is the biggest one I've ever done. Like I said, we were gone for 2 weeks, so we needed food badly. So I feel guilty, but we needed this stuff, and my girls like to eat, and so does the hubby, so we definitely needed all this stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like Costco hauls, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!